Are you someone who got trapped in direct selling? Are you that person who is a success story to inspire millions? Or are you like most of us with absolutely no clue what direct selling is? Are you skeptical of joining direct selling? Skeptical of the people involved in direct selling? Skeptical of the whole industry itself? Yes? If you are, here are the answers for you. Over the course of this conversation, we'll be talking about what home-based business industry is, what direct selling really means, is it legitimate, and how people make money in this. As we go by, answers will unfold, question by question, step by step. So, sit back, relax, and we'll begin. Basically, there are three ways to earn money. First, you can work for someone else, which means you have a job. Essentially, you are agreeing to trade your time for a salary or an hourly wage to build another person's dream. They decide the role that you perform, the hours that you work, the length of your employment, and the value that your time is worth. Jobs are the most common, but often the most limiting ways to make money. The second way you can earn money is with a profession. Some examples would include doctors, lawyers, or engineers. In this case, you get a higher education or develop a specific set of skills or knowledge, and then you are paid for the services that you offer. Professional services offer a higher level of compensation, but they come with longer hours and greater commitment. They tend to require ongoing training and significant investment of time and money. Now, the third way to earn income is what a lot of people dream about. That is, being your own boss. Few would argue that this is the most exciting, flexible, and rewarding way to make money. In this model, you are no longer building another person's dream, but rather your own. The key benefit to being your own boss, and this is very important, is that you have the opportunity to leverage the efforts of others. Hence, you accomplish more and earn more than you could on your own. This is how people improve both their financial freedom and their time freedom. This marks the birth of the entrepreneur in you. Unlike a job in which you trade your limited time for a set amount of money, business owners can turn other people's efforts into personal potential. We'll talk about this in a few minutes. So, there are three ways to make money: work for someone else, become a professional, and be your own boss. Now, let's focus on the home business industry, or the concept of business from home. Statistics show that home business industry is a staggering $427 billion year industry worldwide. The first question to be answered is what the business from home concept is. The word is pretty self-explanatory, right? But the reality is that this industry is very often misunderstood. Now, as the name implies, a home business is any business that an individual can operate from their homes. Certainly, this would include many traditional businesses like web design, fashion, tailoring, technical services, repair services, and many others. But what we are specifically interested in today is a very unique and rapidly growing business practice that's followed in the world of home business. It has a number of advantages over the more traditional businesses. For example, unlike other businesses mentioned, this requires no training, no past experience, very little startup capital. There are no accounts payable, no accounts receivable, and no inventory, no employees, no headaches. This kind of business at home we are going to talk about. You can work part-time, full-time, or even in your spare time. You are the boss, so you get to decide. In short, the kind of home business we are interested in offers far greater flexibility and eliminates many of the drawbacks of traditional businesses. So, what is this exciting business practice called? Well, This smart way of doing business is known as direct selling. Direct selling is a form of entrepreneurship in which you sell directly to the customer. Well, it may surprise you, but it's something that we all do every day. Direct selling simply means word of mouth advertising, essentially recommending something to your beloved. If you take a minute to think about it, this is something we all do on a regular basis. We refer friends to our favorite restaurants, movies, and vacation spots. We refer books, movies, doctors, and any number of products and services that we come across and like to people we know. It's simply a part of our nature. So, the fact is, we are all technically direct sellers. It's just who we are. The difference is that most of us don't get paid to do this. But some people do, and they get paid really well. As you will learn in a few minutes, they are compensated for far more than just their personal recommendations. Let's look at an example. Let's say you refer a movie that you like to some of your friends. They decide to go to the theatre and enjoy the movie. Some of them enjoyed it so much that they go there again and again. They bring others and tell their friends too. Now, that is a whole lot of business growing from your personal recommendation alone. Now, is the movie producer going to compensate you for all this business? Are you going to be rewarded for all the referrals and every time those people go to the theatre? Of course not. You did provide word of mouth advertising, right? And an advertisement costs money. How about a book publisher for referring your favorite book to a neighbor who goes there and buys it? Are they going to send you a check in the mail? Not at all likely. Well, in the direct selling industry, this is exactly what you get paid for. Very well, in fact. For simply doing what you already do, it goes much deeper than that. We'll explore the exciting nature of how you get paid in direct selling in just a few minutes. Before we cover how we make money, let's put this industry in a very clear perspective and understand why so many companies choose direct selling in the first phase. When a company has a product or a service that it needs to take to market, that means to the end user, it faces a very costly challenge. Now, they can hire salespeople to sell their product, train them, equip them, put them in an office, pay their salaries, and cover their expenses. Or they can open stores and sell these products from traditional storefronts. They can cut these margins even further and have their products sold in another office or on an online platform. With all the big expenses that these options carry comes a very large expense: advertising. Building a brand and exposing it to masses is not an easy task. Even a 130-second TV slide would cost lakhs or even crores of rupees, plus radio, magazines, newspapers, billboards, direct mail, and so on. It's not surprising that advertising is one of, if not the largest expense a company has to incur. Moreover, all these expenses are incurred even before a single product is sold. Enter direct selling. It does not just eliminate advertising expenses, it also spares one of the massive expenses associated with training, hiring, and paying a sales force. Instead, they just pay one person. That is you. It's brilliant if you just think about it. The company pays out after the sale is made rather than risk huge sums of money beforehand. They don't have to advertise, and the resulting profit margins are dramatically higher. Now, that leaves a lot of money on the table for people like you. In fact, it's not unusual for companies to pay up to 50% or even 60% of the profit revenues they bring in, with some direct selling companies paying out lakhs or even crores of rupees. This is a very big piece of a very big pie. Now, here is where it gets really exciting. Since direct selling companies don't advertise and you are but one person, they attain widespread exposure in another way. The result is you are compensated not just for your personal referral, but for the viral exposure that you created. Imagine it like this. Someone shares a great online video clip with you. You watch it, think it's great, and forward the link to people you know. Then many of them do the same. Those people do the same, and before you know it, the video has been seen by all people around the globe. A little website called YouTube can credit this specific phenomena for being ranked amongst the most popular website on the entire internet. This is known as viral marketing, and we all do it every day. Direct selling works on the same concept. The goal is to have your referral turn into many more referrals and product sales, and in result, spreading value addition from one person's network to another and another and another. To encourage this wide exposure, direct selling companies compensate you not just for finding new customers, but for finding new referrals of their products. They in turn find new customers and more referrals as well. However, this model is not unique to direct selling. Let's consider Sonia, a property agent and the owner of a firm. As an agent, Sonia makes money when she sells a house. However, as a firm owner, she also earns money when any agent in any of her offices sells a home. Direct selling simply gives regular people without any product or special skills of their own this very same opportunity. An opportunity to own a business that leverages the efforts of others. This is one of the many beautiful aspects of the direct selling industry. The company is more efficient, the distributors earn money doing something they already do, and the end customer wins as they get access to products and services from people they know and trust. So, in this model, everyone wins. You may not recognize many of the companies that use direct selling for 100% of their distribution. And there is a good reason for this. As we just explored, these companies don't use the more traditional methods of sales channeling. They don't advertise on conventional avenues like TV, radio, magazines, billboards, and so on. So, many of them are not as recognizable to an ordinary person. They rely on word of mouth for their advertising. In other words, unless you are told about them, you don't recognize them. But even when that's said, let me ask this. Do you recognize companies like IBM, Gillette, Colgate-Palmolive, AT&T, A1, Tupperware? How about Citibank, Xerox, Amway, Vestige, Herbalife? Well, these companies sell some or all of their products through direct selling. Millionaire investor Warren Buffett owns several direct selling companies. Many direct selling companies are publicly traded in the stock market as well. The fact is, direct selling is 100% legal, legitimate, and a respected business model. It's just that the company has to sell real products with real value to the marketplace. In other words, there has to be real demand and real value beyond just the opportunity to make money. The confusion comes from what many people know as the pyramid scheme, a completely illegal situation in which new people are recruited to pay the people above them with no real value trading products at all. Ultimately, people at the lowest rung are left holding their bags with nothing to show for their efforts. As with any other opportunity, evaluate the one you are considering very, very carefully. If it's hard to see why someone would want the product other than to make money, just stay away. In other words, you can rest easy. Direct selling is a completely legal, honest, and opportunity-rich business model, and it attracts more and more customers every year. Have you ever wondered why some people make 2 lakh rupees a year while others make 2 lakh per month? They're all working with the same 24-hour day, right? Obviously, Whoever makes more value with the time invested would make more money. Direct selling offers you 3 distinct advantages in this respect, each of them enabling you to create more value with the same amount of time. These cornerstone concepts will forever change the way you think about making money. They are known as residual income, compounding, and leverage, the real science behind the magic of direct selling. Owning a home business in direct selling industry provides new benefits and rewards. Among the biggest are the ability to build both financial freedom and time freedom. In other words, greater income and more time to enjoy this wealth. There are essentially 2 kinds of income, linear income and residual income, and only one of these produces this attractive result. Linear income is what you get from a job. You work and you get paid. You don't work and you don't get paid. Essentially, you are agreeing to trade the limited time you have for a limited amount of money. To earn more money, you will have to work more hours, get a raise, or even a second job. It could be really hard to get ahead because when your work stops, the income stops too. Now, residual income, which is also called passive or recurring income, is when you do something once and get paid for it over and over again. With this type, even when your work stops, your income can continue long after the initial efforts. Think of the subscription-based company, Netflix. Netflix works to generate more customers, and when they are successful, they continue to get paid every month. An insurance salesperson gets paid residually as the policies are renewed. Someone selling vitamins gets residual income as customers reorder every month. Residual income is in fact the cornerstone of direct selling. So, let's illustrate its power with a practical example. Let's say you share a product or a service with 10 people in January who make a purchase. It's something they want every month. Hence, you will be paid in January, February, March, next January, and so on for as long as they remain your customers. Your work has just produced an ongoing continual payment for the work that was completed months before. What a concept, right? Work once and get paid again and again. Now, there is nothing wrong with the one-time linear income, but given a choice, which one would you prefer? Work hard and get paid once, or work smart and get paid residually? As you can see, residual income is an important concept to build wealth. Let's look at another important concept. The underlying engine that produces remarkable effect in direct selling is the power of compounding. If I were to give you a choice between 1 crore rupees in cash and a single rupee doubled every day for a month, which one would you choose? Well, if you're like most people, you'd opt for the 1 crore option, and like most people, you'd miss out on a whole lot of money. Do the math and you'll be pretty surprised. That rupee is 2 on day 2, 16 on day 5, 128 on day 8, 8,192 on day 14. On day 21, you have over 10,000 rupees. On day 28, you will have more than 13.5 crores. Now, if our hypothetical month has 30 days, you are looking at more than 53 crores in your wallet. Compounding is incredibly powerful. Direct selling monetizes on compounding in 2 key ways. First, you can trade it to a residual income. If you are able to generate an income month after month, each month is an opportunity to build on the income that you generated the month before, which means your effort compounds on itself again and again. Think of getting a raise in May, then you get in June, and then in July, and you do exactly what you did the month before. Now, the second way is even more exciting. Take the example of compounding and apply to an illustration of building a direct selling company. You enroll just one member every month interested in building the business, and you have more than 4,000 people in your group if every member continues the replication rate to be the same. In short, if everyone shared the company's product, and recruited just one person per month interested in building the business, the compounding effect would produce an organization of 4,096 members in just 12 months. Imagine earning a percentage residually of all the 4,000 of these members each month. Pretty incredible, right? Now, the reality is that not everyone involved in your business will enroll one person every month. Some people will do more and some will do less. However, the power of compounding is pretty incredible. That is one of the many reasons why people are able to supplement, replace, or even surpass their full-time income in a surprisingly short amount of time. We are going to explore, and perhaps the most important one is known as leverage. John D. Rockefeller, often regarded the richest person in history, illustrated the concept of leverage the best when he said that, "I'd rather have 1% efforts of 100 people rather than 100% of my own efforts." To put it another way, money alone is nothing without the time to enjoy it. Compounding is to income what leverage is to lifestyle and confidence. Leverage increasingly removes personal effort from the income equation. Let's go back to Sonia's example. Sonia was once a property agent. She worked really hard selling houses to people. Then she decided to open a real estate firm. Now she has an office for real estate agents who all sell houses. Sonia gets paid when any of them sells a house. Maybe she can hire a manager and open another branch. More real estate agents selling more property and of course putting more money into Sonia's pocket. By leveraging the efforts of others, Sonia is creating time freedom. The less her income is tied to her personal production, the more freedom she has. This is the beauty of direct selling. When you start a direct selling business, you are immediately afforded this opportunity. You are your own boss. You are in control of your own efforts and they will dictate your success. But that can change very quickly and in an amazing fashion. With the right company, you'll have proven products, an established reputation, and proven tools at your fingertips. Together, they will help you build an ever-growing organization of eager business owners, each of whom have the same incentives and opportunities as you have. Their leverage will grow their business and in the process grow yours as well. In time, your income will become less and less dependent on the number of hours that you work. Imagine having a team of 10, 100 or even 1,000 motivated people. Compounding, leverage and residual income will all work together. They provide a very unique and very powerful opportunity not only to build your income but your holidays as well. Here is the reality. There are great jobs, great professions and great businesses. But how many of you know of opportunities where ordinary people, regardless of age, education, skills or background, are afforded such extraordinary potential to experience the financial, time and lifestyle reward as in direct selling? How many do you know of where everyone begins at equal footing and with virtually unlimited potential? And where the success of one does not put another's success in jeopardy? Amitabh Kant, the CEO of Planning Commission India, recently stated that direct selling is the major driver of India's growth and economic impetus more than anything else. According to the KPMG report, direct selling industry is one of the fastest growing home-based businesses in India and it trains more than 5 million people in marketing, communication, leadership and personality development. More than 3 million women find self-employment in direct selling. The industry has contributed immensely to Startup India, Skill India, Make in India and various other national initiatives. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, once said, "Direct selling is the best investment I ever made." Now, that is a lot of powerful credibility. During this learning program, we have covered some important topics. We defined the 3 ways to earn money, the advantages and drawbacks of each. We examined the growth of home-based business industry and explained what direct selling really means. We explained that direct selling is simply word of mouth based distribution channel and that it benefits both companies and entrepreneurs. Finally, we talked about how you can add immense value to the lives of umpteen number of people and how networking can change your life. You grew as a community, respecting, caring and sharing with each other. Even your active presence would bring change to the lives of many. Your decisions today would change what future looks like for you and people who care about you. Thank you for watching.